Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Happy Monday. Today is the 7th of April. Now I know I'm a little behind because I said I was going to come on here and show you my hair in March. I think I said March, right? So the 19th of this month, that will be my last wash and deep condition. Sometime in May, she hadn't scheduled that yet, but sometime in May, I will be getting my relaxer. I don't think it'll be the first week, but I believe it'll be that second week. I'm praying that it's before Mother's Day, but she was going to relax my hair. I'll show you guys that and give you guys an update. So right now, I'm just going to show you my hair, which I promised to do in March, but I'm going to show it today. Thank you ever so kindly. For those of you who are new here, thank you and welcome to another video. Thank you ever so kindly. All right. If you feel that this video is helping you, okay, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, all you have to do is click on that subscribe button, press the bell, and then turn on your notifications to Sapphire's Hair Care. So now, remember I said my right side was always shorter than my left side. You guys remember that? Y'all remember that, right? Always had a problem with that. So I was looking at my hair last week and I just happened to look at it. So you guys remember when I got it cut, it was like to my collarbone, right here, or sitting on top of my collarbone. I remember it was sitting on top of my shirt. Okay, so that's the collar. So last week I noticed that it grew just a tad. Okay, I say maybe about 1.5 inches. Okay, that's not bad for an old person like me. That's not really bad, okay? The front of my hair, it dropped to my lips, like the top of my lips, right? Okay. Now it goes under my chin. The back of my hair, let me grab my comb because I brought my comb down here. The back of my hair, it grew too. I didn't take any pictures when she cut my hair. I really didn't. I was okay with it, but mentally I wasn't. You get what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying, right? Some of y'all probably get what I'm saying. I just didn't want to take any pictures. I should have, but I didn't. I'm going to be taking some pictures from now on, okay? So you guys can see the progress, all right? So this the back of my hair. So I believe it's coming along very, very well. Now, the oil that I wanted to talk about is the geranium oil. Now, this oil helps to restore. It helps to strengthen the hair. Okay. You can use it with another carrier oil. Okay. Maybe about 1 ounce or 2 with another 3 or 4 ounces of another carrier oil. Well, so what I do when I seal my ends, I like to take the droplet and put it on the ends of my hair right after I put the moisturizer on it. Now, this oil does prevent breakage. It does prevent split ends. Okay. And this is what I'm talking about. I don't know if I did a review on this oil after the first time I started using it. This is my second bottle, and I've been using this oil 2 years now. I will be going on another bottle because it's down here somewhere. Down here, you probably can't see it because the glass is brown. But I've been using this. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can take a better look at this, okay? Give me a minute. Okay, sorry, y'all. All right. So this is it right here. Okay. And this is the person who made it, Mary Tyler's Naturals. I got it from Amazon. Once I find the price, I'll leave it below. But you know, prices change. It has been 2 years since I purchased this. Okay. So what I do like about this, I'm going to show you all around so that way you guys can see the ingredients too. So what I do like it, why it works for me, it strengthens the hair, as I said, by restoring moisture balance, which it does. It keeps the hair soft. I like that. It prevents dryness. Your hair doesn't dry out by using this. It also improves the elasticity of the hair, and it also reduces split ends. So if you are having trouble with breakage or split ends or anything like that, geranium oil is a very great oil. It smells good too. This oil smells amazing. It's not real strong, okay, but it smells flowery, like maybe like rose petals. Or have you ever smelled like rose oil or something like that? It smells, Have you ever smelled a real geranium before? The perfume from it? This oil smells just like that, but it's not real steep. It's not strong. It's like a light scent. Okay. So this is what I love about it. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I love about the oil. It keeps the hair soft. Okay, it gives it a nice shine. It's not real heavy. This oil is light. You can use it every day if you want. You can use it on your skin, your feet. I like to use it in the summertime on my legs and my feet. It also helps keep the hair soft. But like I said, the smell, it's a very light scent. It's not real heavy, okay? But you can dilute it with another carrier oil, okay? You can just take the droplet and just put as much, I would say maybe an ounce of this with maybe 3 or 4 ounces of your carrier oil, okay? But this oil is light. You can use it every other day or so, but just mix it with another oil because it is an essential oil. Okay, once again, I got it from Amazon. So if I can remember the price, because it's not real pricey. This brand right here is not real pricey. I'll put it down here. I don't think I paid over $12 for this. I really don't think so. But like I said, it's been 2 years and this is my second bottle. Okay. All right. So that's all I have for you guys on today. I pray that you guys enjoyed this video. If so, just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like it. Also, don't forget to share it. Okay. In Lord's will, you will see me in my next video. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.